use us to develop some conscience. Now look at these theories that we are talking about here. These are the kingdom theories. That are theories that are violating what we call kingdom theories, where they talk of the garbage can and the policies. Now here, what Ruto has done is that he has brought a policy to look for a solution. No, he has brought a solution to look for a policy. Instead of putting solutions together and then you look for a policy, our system is upside down. And none of our leaders are thinking of this. Go outside the box. Look at those Kenyans in the diaspora. Ask them why they're working there. And Honorable Odemo is here. He was one of the best ambassadors we had when we were in the UK. He used to accommodate what we had. Let's look at what we can borrow from the diaspora. We have the brains outside this country that can come and develop this country. Let's look at the Museveni format, the formula that Museveni has used. None of us wants to talk about the Kenyans in the diaspora. We talk about ourselves. Somebody went to Kangundo High School, Nairobi University, worked in the ministry, went to live in Lavington. What kind of policy do you think this person can make? Thank you very much.
Makofi kwa Mheshimiwa Wajakoya. Allow me now to invite the Honorable Wycliffe Oparanya, who is the chairman of the Azimio National Executive Council, and also the deputy party leader of ODM, to come and make closing remarks, really. And if there will be any questions, general questions, we'll ask the party leader to perhaps feed them. Thank you. Karim.
Thank you very much, Honorable Wandai.